Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Hydrating Moisturizer. First, always start with a fresh canvas. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt, oil, or makeup from your face. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. It's best to leave your skin just a little bit damp, as this helps the moisturizer lock in extra hydration. Remember to always have clean hands before you begin. Now, let's apply the moisturizer. Take about a pea-sized amount of Bubble Hydrating Moisturizer onto your clean fingertips. Gently dot this small amount across different areas of your face, your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using soft, upward and outward circular motions, gently massage the product into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Don't forget to extend this nourishing care down to your neck and upper chest area too. To get the most out of your Bubble Hydrating Moisturizer, remember a few key tips. Applying it to slightly damp skin right after cleansing helps to seal in moisture more effectively. Always use gentle, upward strokes when massaging it in. This helps support your skin's natural elasticity. Give the moisturizer a few minutes, perhaps 3 to 5 minutes, to fully absorb before moving on to any makeup application. Also, keep your product in a cool, dry spot. For best results, make Bubble Hydrating Moisturizer a consistent part of your daily skincare. Apply it both in the morning and again in the evening after cleansing. Regular use, perhaps twice a day, helps to continuously support your skin's natural moisture barrier. With consistent application, you can expect your skin to feel noticeably softer, appear smoother, and look more radiant over time. This gentle formula is designed to benefit most skin types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.